Hello everyone, I'm Rita, Group 1 from Indonesia in ICT Virtual Training. Today, let me showing you my dissemination with my students and my friends. How to making a sound mood light. How enjoyable they are? Let's join me. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. Okay, today we will showing you how to make it a sound mood light from the code base. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, if you're ready, let's be making a sound mood light. I hope that you are happy. Making a sound mood light by coding school tree. First, before we make a code, we make a sound first. We click Chrome and then we find the teachable machine. After that, we click Get Started. Then click Audio Project. Now we make background noise. At least 20 seconds of background noise. Now, this is we click mic and then we click record. This record what the text we want to make. For example, I want to make the sound Spendoyo terdepan in Indonesia. Now we click record. Spendoyo terdepan Indonesia. Spendoyo terdepan Indonesia. Okay. After that, we click extract sample. Then the sample will be appeared here. Next, we click the class. We change with the. I would like to change the text. Spendoyo, this is the acronym my name school. Then we click the mic. We click record 2 seconds. The sound Spendoyo. Spendoyo, Spendoyo. Okay. After that, we click exact sample. We make 8 minimum. Okay, click extract. Okay, that's enough. Then we click the add class. Now, this class we change the name with terdepan. This is the branding of our school, Spendoyo terdepan. Then we make a sound, click mic, then we click record. Terdepan, terdepan. Okay, after that we click extract sample, extract sample, extract sample, and extract sample. Okay, after that we click add class because we want to make 3 sound. We change Indonesia. Indonesia. Yeah, we click to change Indonesia. We click mic and then we click record. Indonesia, Indonesia. Then we click extract sample until 8 minimum. Okay, that's finished. Okay. After this finish, we click train model. Okay. We click training model. We wait until the training finish. Okay. Don't switch tab. You must leave this tab open to train your model. There's the warning. Okay, after that we click export model. Okay, we click export model. Then we click upload my model. Okay, we click upload my model. We wait at a minute. Okay, we need some minutes, 1 or 2 or 3 minutes. It's depend on the access internet. Okay, after the uploading was finished, we click copy. Okay, next step, we make a code to making a sound look like in coding school 3. The first, we click EI. 2, we click sound learning TM to appear the sound learning menu. Then click add extension and we click copies block to appear the copies menu. Then we click events. We choose the one flag clicked and we drag it here. After that, we click sound learning. We click the code wish. We sort the init NeoPixel. Okay, we drag it here. After that, we click the clear NeoPixel all. Okay, we drag and put it here. After that, we click sound learning. We choose the train sound model URL. Okay. Then the under file URL, we open the sound that we made in Teachable. We click copy. Then we back again to the coding school. Then we click paste at here. Okay. After that, we click the recognition with train sound model. Next, we click control. Then we choose the forever. Then we click the if and then. We put that here. Okay, and we click the sound learning. We choose the is the recognition undefined. We click at here. It means that if is the recognition, which is okay. We will be showing. Okay, wait. Okay, if the is the recognition, we choose Spendoyo, and then the color will be changed. Okay, after that we click that set no pixel all color. Set no pixel all color in hot list. Okay, we put it here. Okay, we change with the green. Okay, and it means that if is the recognition says Panduyo, then the color is green. And then we click at here, then we make the duplicate. Okay, we put that here, and we change then if is the recognition. Yeah. In terdepan, the color will be blue. Change to be blue. Okay. Then we click the code recognition. Then we make duplicate because we make the 3 sounds. And then we click if is the recognition. Okay, say Indonesia, and your pixel color will be changed to be red. Okay. After that, we click Control. Then we click wait 1 second. Okay. Okay. If the finish, if the coding was finished like this, we click the pick, and then we wait until ready, and don't forget to connect with the code whiz. Then we try to say Spandoyo will be green color, and then we say terdepan, the color will be appear blue, and the last we say Indonesia, the color appear red. Okay, we try it. The programs, if we say Spandoyo, the color will be green. Okay. If we say terdepan, the color will be blue. Okay. And then if we say Indonesia, the color will be red. Okay. Now we play. Indonesia. Spandoyo. Terdepan.
Thank you to Mrs. Sentawati, who has been selected as a teacher forum and ICT volunteer. An achievement from the inspirational teacher representing Indonesia at the ASEAN Cooperation Forum. I hope that the result of this forum activity can contribute to improving the quality of learning and creativity of informatics teacher and increase the learning motivation of student and teacher at SMP Negeri 2 Mandoyo or Spandoyo. Keep on working and inspiring to raise the spirit of the teachers, leading Spandoyo.
Well, I think that's all my dissemination today, how to making a sound mood mic. I hope you enjoyable with my video. Thank you very much for your attention. See you with another subject, and bye.